Hi everyone and Assalamualaikum to Miss Fakria. We are from LAX2025, Group 25 Parody. Today we will continue our group discussion and we'll have more deeper conversation about our first parody that be chosen by all of us around 2 weeks ago. But I think before we start our group discussion, it might be something good for all of us to introduce ourselves and give our own metric number to Miss Fakria to make Miss Fakria easily to recognize each one of us. So starting from me, my name is Nur Azlim Mitizainuddin and my metric number is 205877. Next person.
Right. My name is Mama Azlan Kabar Zaman 208546.
So
Okay.
my name is Nur Harisa Hashira binti Husaini and my metric number is 205932.
Okay, hi, my name is Lim Fang Min and my metric number is 206037.
Hi, my name is Nurul Hana binti Azizi and my metric number is 207405.
Okay, and the last one. Hello, my name is Ahmad Faris bin Ahmad Noor and my metric number is 207683.
Okay, thank you everyone. So everyone has introduced themselves and I think we can start our meeting right now. Our discussion right now. Okay, I suggest we start our discussion with something that's simple. Maybe we can discuss about a theme or a message of our parody. Can we? Or you guys want to talk about something else first?
Yes, just start with theme and message.
Yeah, agree. I
I think we
agree.
should discuss about the theme. Let's just continue with the theme and
Okay,
the
so
others.
okay, so if everyone agree with that, if everyone agree with that, uh, does anyone want to volunteer to share his or her opinion about a theme or a message of this video? Anyone?
Oh, you first, you first.
It's okay. Fang Min. Go. Okay. okay. Fang Min start first. Right.
Okay, go on, Lim.
So for me, I would like to share my opinion on the message for this parody. I think the message is we must abide by the rules set in laboratories for our own safety. Yes. And what about the others? What do you think about the theme or message?
Okay,
I think-
Arisa. Oh, okay, Aslan.
For me, I think what Lim said was true. This video is focusing on the lab rules that are important if we go inside the lab for our own safety and for the others. Okay, what about you guys? What about the others? What do you guys think?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think the
I
message
think. Go on. Go on.
I think the message intended is to teach us on how to behave, what to do, and what to not do when we are in the laboratory. How about you, Harista?
Thank you. Okay, I think I agree with all of you. And for me, I think I'm not usually using let. So from this parody, I learned about the rules and everything. Yeah. So Faris?
Oh. Okay, Faris.
Okay, from my opinion, from that parody, we should follow the lab rules because we are dealing with chemicals and some dangerous chemical that can harm us.
Yes, I totally agree with you. I also think that this video actually wants to portray how we supposed to act when we are in the lab. As for me, I am one of the science students, so I involve myself a lot in science lab. And as you know, science lab is one of the risky places, especially chemistry lab. Why? Because a moment when I am in the chemistry lab, I need to handle with a lot of chemical things. So it might be something dangerous for me if I am not obey or be alert about the rules. So I think this video really portray a good content for a student like me. So anyone wants to add on? No? Okay,
I think
no.
I think that's true because the apparatus, the materials that are inside the chemistry lab is very hazardous, and there's multiple toxic that there are multiple hazard chemicals that are inside, and through there we could learn more on how to use each of the materials. But they are teaching us the basic of entering the lab, which is multi-purpose, not only for university students, but it's also good for high school students and maybe primary school if they have chemistry. Yep.
Yep. So anyone wants to add anything more? No?
Yes. I agree with Aslan because this video is really simple, showing some basic rules for labs. So it is suitable as an introductory class to those students, even in primary schools, low-level students. They can learn it in a simple and interesting way.
Okay, thank you, Lim. Anyone else? No? Okay. So I think we're done with that, and I can clearly see that all of us can get the message of this video. I can conclude that this parody really contains a lot of good message, and I cannot deny that also. If you go through the lyrics, you will get more than three rules in the lab. For instance, in our in this video, they tell us to wear our lab coat. When we are doing the experiment, they also tell us to wear the glove when you are handling with the chemical things. And you also in that video also they remind you to not eat and drink in the lab. So I think all of us can get the message of the parody, and we can continue our discussion with maybe we can talk about the behavior, acting, or music of the video. So what do you guys think about the music or acting or behavior of this parody?
May I start?
Okay, go on.
So
Yeah, you
the
may.
song is a parody of New Rules, sung by Dua Lipa. Uh, Actually, it's a good parody because the song itself is gaining popularity, and it has currently 2 million views on YouTube. So it's actually a good song, and it's also a catchy song, which is easier for us to find the song if we were to search on YouTube through the YouTube algorithm. Anyone want to add?
Yes, I agree with Aslan. I think the music is catchy and easy to follow, and it is very helpful for students to remember the laboratory rules.
How about the others? Lim, you have any opinions?
Yes, I would like to talk about their costumes actually, because if you see in the parody, they all are wearing colorful lab coats. So I think it's really attractive and aesthetically pleasing, because normally when we wear lab coats, we only see white lab coats, right? But in that parody, they have different colors, so I think it's really attractive. Yeah.
How about Faris?
Uh, I'm totally I'm totally agree with Lim Feng because yeah, I don't know that the lab coat have a colorful lab coat. usually we see that only white, and I want to talk about their acting also. Their acting actually really smooth and can like same with the official video from Dua Lipa, and it's kind of professional because they involve with chemical, you know that, so it might be dangerous, but it's okay.
You guys can hear me because it's
Can.
raining here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Alright.
Okay.
yeah, we can hear you.
Alright. For me, I'm gonna talk about their editing skills, about the video. I think the transition is quite nice, and their editing skills is so good, and it's so attractive. It can attract audience, and yeah, thumbs up for their teams.
Okay, thank you, Harisa. Actually, I don't have any any points anymore because my opinions are just as same as you guys. I also love the music in this video because it is really catchy. And I also can give a credit to the acting in this video. So I don't have anything to say anymore. Does anyone wants to talk
And I think I
or
can
give?
add to
Okay.
Azlin's point, which is like the acting. Yes, the acting is very good, and their directing is having the mindset to teach, to guide, which really targets audience really well because of the vibrant colors that they have inside the inside the laboratory. Because every time we go inside the laboratory, what we will see or what we will feel, we think is, oh, it's gonna be white. It's not gonna be different color or interesting. So they did a very good job and wanting people to be entertained while watching the lab proofs. Yep,
Yeah,
that's
and
all for me.
I think the acting and chemistry shown by the actor and actresses are great, and their facial expressions are funny, which make me interested more to watch the video until the end.
Anyone else? No? Okay, if nobody wants to add on, then we can proceed our meeting to our discussion to the next one. So we need to discuss how are the feeling of how are how are the feeling when we are watching this video. So anyone wants to share his or her feelings?
Um, I think I enjoy this parody because for me it's quite funny and attract me lah to watch to watch the video. Sorry, pardon.
Okay, as for me, I am opposite with you. Okay, I also have that excited feelings when I'm watching this parody, but honestly, I also feel a bit sad because I suddenly miss all my friends. I just miss the vibe of physical class, you know, because we do not have the physical class for our degree. So I just miss the teamwork of my friends. I also miss the feeling of being excited when I see my result of the experiment. And I also miss to be stressed doing the lab report. You know, that vibe cannot be feel right now with online class. So yeah, I think that's all from me. Anyone?
Um,
Yes, I totally agree with you. And I also have this kind of feeling as well because I was from Form 6. I did Form 6 previously and we did a lot of experiments then. And then when I was watching this video, I also missed the time where we were conducting experiments in labs and then rushing to complete our lab reports. Uh, these feelings really got me. And in the same time, I also feel interested to this video. My eyes were glued to this video when this video was playing. So, how to say? I really like this video, and as well as the song. That's all from me.
I agree with Azlin and Lim. For me, I think I'm the oldest among the others, and I had my diploma for 3 years in UPMKB. So it was a good experience, and the video reminded me of my carelessness before. When dealing with chemicals, I was so clumsy. Had troubles with chemicals because I wasn't wearing gloves, and my hands were all red. So remember to wear your gloves. And that's all from me.
How about Faris?
If because of I also a science student and I'm from foundation. We also do a lot of experiments. So when I watch that video, it's kind of like a throwback for the vibe of physical class because right now, like Azlin said, the vibe is different because the online class. I just remember that video shown about don't smell the chemical, right? So I just like throwback and because of I also like to smell the chemical thing, so I feel like dizzy. I don't know, but it's a kind of memory, you know. So when I watch that video, the video make me think about my friend also.
Thank you, Faris. You might be high during during the experiment.
Yeah, I feel so high and dizzy.
Okay, so maybe
But it's
Hannah.
fine.
What?
But
Oh, it's fine.
But it's
Okay,
fine,
okay.
fine.
Okay, so Hannah, maybe you have something to say?
I think because the video is energetic, so I feel energetic and it uplifts my mood when I watch the video. That's all.
Okay. Okay, thank you everyone. So I think we have discussed a lot about this first parody, and I think we can wrap our discussion right now since we already share to each other about our opinions. So thank you so much for all the commitments and response. I really hope that all of us can keep this momentum for our next discussion. Okay, thank you.
Thank you to
Thank
Azlin and
Thank you.
to my friends, and thank you to Miss Fakria for listening to our discussion.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, everyone.
Kita jaga kita.